How to delete your Google account permanently from a mobile device. First of all, head over to your application Gmail. Make sure you are logged into your account that you want to delete. Tap on the three horizontal line at the top left corner. Scroll down and head over to your settings. Right here, select the account that you want to delete. Now at the top, tap on Manage your Google account. It will land you on this interface. Right here, move into the section of Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you see the option of Delete your Google account. Once you find that option, head over to it. Now right here, you need to enter the password of your Google account that you want to delete, and then tap on Next. It will lead you to this page. Now scroll down and read all of those information properly, and once you are done, tap on both of this checkbox. Now whenever you are ready to delete your account, tap on Delete Account and your account will be permanently deleted. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to delete your Google account permanently on a mobile device. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.